Oh, brother. Looks like work. Kills. Primer. Oh, joy. It's time to, I'm getting ready. It's time to paint the ceilings, and I'm getting ready with it. I just went to the store, went to the Home Depot, of course. It's just right down the street from me. My favorite box store. And I'm going to be painting these ceilings with this. It's called Ultra Pure White. Let's see, you can see that. Ultra Pure White Bare Premium Plus Interior Ceiling Flat. Low odor, low VOC. And this is a standard thing you can pick up right off the shelf. They also have it in single gallons. This is a 2-gallon container. Have you ever seen a 2-gallon container of paint? There's the 5. Okay, I wasn't sure if I was going to need 5 whole gallons. See, 2 gallons. I thought it might be 2.5, but no, 2 gallons. And the condo's not a really super big condo, okay? But you see these walls? The walls are a gray or a beige, tan kind of color. And what they did is they decided to paint the ceilings the same color, and they used flat throughout. You know, somebody else before me, and they came in here. That way, they did the walls and the ceilings at the same time. They didn't have to cut in the ceiling, a white ceiling, to a different colored wall, let's say. And they just thought, hey, we'll just do that, and they did that. They did that throughout the entire condo. Can you believe that? Even these tall ceilings. Look at that. See, when you go with ceilings the same color as your walls, in the shadows and stuff, it makes your ceilings look pretty dark, doesn't it? If that's what you want, go for it. But most ceilings, if you look at your ceilings, you'll probably see that your ceilings are white, and then your wall, whatever wall color, goes up to the ceiling, and your ceiling gets all cut in. So see, my dilemma is that because that's kind of a tan beige color, I'm wondering if this white ceiling paint is going to cover in one coat. Because if it doesn't cover in one coat, that's okay. Hey, when it dries, I'll put a second coat on, which means I'm going to have to put one coat. When I put the one coat on with the roller, I'm going to actually cut it in with the paint with the paintbrush all the way around. Okay, I'm going to do that too, and then I'm going to let it set until it dries. As this ceiling's drying, I can do the closet. I can come out here and do these ceilings. I can start working in the bedroom, in the master bedroom, and stuff like that. And then it won't take long for this to dry. Then I can stand back, take a look at it, and see if I feel it needs a second coat. I might use the roller in one little strategic area in the back or something, and I'm sure with the second coat it's going to look good. But when I was talking to the guy at Home Depot, he said, well, this paint, I asked him, I told him of my concern that I may have to paint it twice, and he said, this stuff here is pretty thick, and so he thinks it might cover. So that's why I didn't get a fiber. There wasn't that much difference. Sometimes if you buy a 5-gallon paint bucket instead of a single gallon, it's cheaper than buying 5 single gallons as opposed to a 5. You know what I mean? They give you a little bit of break. And I was asking them, hey, what's the break between 5-gallon per gallon and buying a 2-gallon? It wasn't that much. It was only like 75 cents. I thought it might be $2 or $3. Or something, and I thought, you know what? Here's the thing. If I think I'm not going to need 5 gallons throughout this condo, why get a 5-gallon? I might be able to get by with 3 gallons total. I'm not quite sure yet, because the ceilings in the closets, we were talking the other day, and we decided we should do the ceilings in the closets. A semi-gloss. The ceilings in the bathroom, semi-gloss. The ceiling in where the washer and dryer is, semi-gloss. The other bathroom in the master, the other closet in the master bedroom, semi-gloss instead of that flat white. We'll use white semi-gloss. Okay, same thing in this bathroom here. And so you see, I've got a big huge ceiling here, one ceiling in this area here before you go down the stairwell, the guest bedroom, and then